Hey everyone! In this session, we'll introduce quick cadences, which enable sellers like you to build prospecting lists and automate touchpoints so you can stay on top of your customers. Let's take a look at how we can streamline your workflow and enhance your selling efforts. Quick cadences are short, repeatable actions that we can build and configure in seconds. We can assign our prospects into these cadences to orchestrate tasks into different work streams with predefined actions, such as a daily call list, an automated introduction email for new customers, or a reminder to follow up on stale opportunities. On creation, we can link a call script or email template to guide communication and stay on point with messaging. We have flexibility to define when to take action by setting a start date or expected due date. We can also repeat the cadence for a period of time or until we get the response we want. When we're finished with defining our quick cadence, we can add prospects to it automatically using an automated action or manually from a record, our list views, or directly within reports. When contacts are assigned to the quick cadence, we can quickly access and act on the grouped tasks within our unified to-do list. Work management has never been simpler. Stay organized, streamline your workflow, automate everything with quick cadences, and start accelerating customer engagements today.